Andrew, overall perception of the economy is really low. Is there anything the president can say tonight to help turn that perception around?
Shep, it's going to be a bit of a tightrope. He can point clearly to unemployment, the low unemployment numbers in this country, and say, if you want a job in this country, you can get a job today. If you own a home, the price of your home is higher. If you own stocks in the stock market, you probably have more in your 401k. He can point to all of that, but he's also going to have to address the issue of inflation. And there's going to have to be some sense of empathy for the American public that's dealing with higher prices at the grocery store, higher prices at the gas station. And I think if he's able to balance both of those things and also point to some of the signals that suggest that maybe some of the supply chain issues we've been having are going to be alleviated in time, and to almost ask for patience, he may be able to win over some of the American public more than he might if he just tries to point to wins unto themselves. Because I think the American public has a lived experience and can see that while some of the positive numbers very much exist, they're set against these inflation numbers, which make it very complicated.
On inflation, is there a recipe for driving it down and raising wages that the president can lay out in some way tonight?
Yeah, it's the ultimate conundrum. It is the ultimate conundrum. Of course, the Federal Reserve is going to try, or at least says it's going to try. There are issues about the supply chain that the president perhaps can help with when it comes to policy. But it is a very difficult thing, and it is very difficult to articulate to the American public that, to some degree, he needs to lower demand at a time when there's not enough supply. And that is not something you want to say aloud. So it's going to be a tightrope, and it's going to be very interesting to see how he articulates it all.
Andrew Ross Sorkin, we'll look forward to your coverage throughout the night. Thank you.